And today we are going to be reviewing the Victsing RGB Gaming Keyboard. I'm going to show you a bit of close-ups and then we'll get straight into the video. Okay, so now that you've seen the keyboard, I'm going to start talking about it. So as you can see, RGB keyboard. Looks really nice. It does have a bit of dust in it. My room is a bit dusty. But apart from that, nice matte black keyboard with matte black keys. And you can take them off if you need to clean them. So yeah. What I can say is this keyboard also has very nice feel. So just typing, it sounds good and is also very soft. So the keys feel very, very nice. There's also like very minimum delay. There's not going to be a lot of delay if you're gaming or doing whatever on your keyboard. In terms of the RGB, we have a couple of effects. We have the normal just stand like that, like just the RGB, nothing happening. If we switch the mode, you can have it flashing. So that's also nice. And you can also adjust the brightness. So you can put it down until you turn it off, and you can also turn it all the way up. That's all the way up, which is quite bright. It also looks really nice when the lights are off, as I'll show you quickly now. So as you can see, in nearly complete darkness, the keys are very light. You can see it nearly even on my hand. And if you do look underneath and on the sides of the keyboard, there are like little LED strips over here. So it does have a little glow effect on the table, as you can see behind here, the yellow, red, and the blue. The green on the side here, you can see it reflecting on my hand. Really looks nice, and this is metal. It also has a premium feel, and it's only about £30 on Amazon, so really good deal here. So altogether, this keyboard is a really good deal. You have all the shortcuts, you have the keypad, and some keyboards don't have the keypad, so we do have the keypad here. And yeah, this is altogether a very nice keyboard. You might just want to get an air compressed can to blow away some of the dust, but apart from that, this is a really nice keyboard to buy. I'll put the link of this in the description on Amazon. And yeah, remember to like and subscribe. STB06.